A is for aerial lift. A aerial lift. B is for backhoe. B, backhoe.
C is for concrete pump. Concrete pump.
D is for drill rig. D, drill rig. E is for excavator. E, excavator. F is for front loader. F, front loader.
G is for grader. G, grader.
H is for hydrovac. H, hydrovac. I is for industrial loader. I. J is for Jeep. J, Jeep. K is for curb machine. K, curb machine. L is for loader. L, load. M is for mini excavator. M, mini excavator.
N is for nozzle truck. N, nozzle truck. O is for off-highway truck. O, off-highway truck.
P is for paver. P, paver.
Q is for quad. Q, quad.
R is for road sweeper. R, road sweeper. S is for skid steer. S, skid steer. T is for tower crane. T, tower crane. U is for utility truck. U, utility truck. V is for vibratory roller. V, vibratory roller. W is for wheel loader. W, wheel loader. X is for X-track excavator. X, X-track excavator.
Y is for yard crane. Y, yard crane.
Z is for zero-turn mower. Z, zero-turn mower.